Hello, Digital Monkey School students. Today, I want to teach you how to look inside your object while modeling. Sometime that can come in handy to troubleshoot. If you are using a Mac, you can press Option B to see inside, and if you're using PC, you can use Alt B. So I'm going to press Option B, create box selection around the area that I want it to be kept, and then the rest of the object will be hidden. Now I can see what is going on inside my pumpkin. Press Option B on the Mac to turn this mode off, and on PC press Alt B, and this is how you can look inside your model to troubleshoot your geometry. We are Digital Monkey School. I hope you learned something new today. Please like us and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next tutorial.